moments
Gift.
later.
Okay, open na. Wait, Baba. Be careful, Baba.
For me?
That is for you. For ate. Give ate, ha? It's for the school marker. Highlighter. It's nice, right?
Wow, teacher. Mommy, I love you.
I love you too. There's one more gift. Open mo. You will like it. No more. Only 2 pieces. Wow. Take the ball pen. Check it. It's nice. Oh, don't lose the cover, ha? Don't lose the cover.
Baba, give me the paper.
Here. Wow.
I like it.
Of course, I know you will love it. You like it?
I like it, Mommy. I like it
Okay.
so much.
Hi. Cover na cover. Thank you. Kasi you're a good girl, eh.
I love you. I just ate something. But I just big it, but I'm crying.
Did you eat vegetable?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you eat vegetable, that's why I buy you gift.
Baba, I fight Kidas.
Why?
Ano na naman, you fight na naman. To whom?
That's why I'm crying.
Why you fight?
Fighting.
I'm just fighting, but I want to cry.
Why you're fighting?
I'm crying.
Why you're crying? You need to be brave.
I'm not crying, but I'm just only happy.
Gagi. Ano yung emotion na yun? Oh, bye-bye na. Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. You're the best.
Oh, drama. Bola-bola.
I like it, Mommy.
In the house. We'll do it in the house.
Mommy, I give you lollipop, yes?
Yes, thank you, Krishma.
Did you buy for me this one?
It's for Baba.
Huh? And where's my cologne?
Oh, ask Baba. Baba, where's my cologne?
Papa, did you buy for me cologne?
Yeah.
Fine. Where's my cologne now?
I bring the oil, no?
Where's for me?
I need cologne, not oil, sabihin mo.
I need cologne also.
Okay.
Okay, we'll buy.
Cologne.
Okay, we'll buy.
I need cologne.
Krishma, but
For Papa, let me check.
are you happy?
Yeah,
Why you have gift? Because?
I'm good girl.
Oh. Oh, you know how to read. How much? Why you're happy ba?
You're happy today. You're happy today.
Oh, show me na. There is lights. Show me. No, this one.
This one?
Wow.
Open.
So nice naman, Krishma. It's for ate also, ah. You'll give ate. 2 pieces to ate Edge. 2 pieces for you. Kuya Dodge. Okay, pull.
No.
Pull, sabi ko. You don't know the pull? Oh, now you can write. Oh, slowly. See, ikaw pa boy na mano talaga, ha? Sarap. Try mo, Baba. Go on the bed.
No.
Why? Why this is not yours? It's mine. I will tell to Ate Jessie to take you in the room.